everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create your own eye pins in Soft Flex Wire? I am using beautiful pink tourmaline. When you have eye pins, usually they're made out of wire, and sometimes they won't fit certain beads, such as this coin pearl. But by using Soft Flex Wire, it gives it kind of a fun new technique to use, as well as it will fit some of the specialty beads or gemstone beads with a unique size hole. So you will just need beads of your choice, some soft flex wire, and you can mix and match your wires. You could use amethyst wire and kind of alternate and really just make it your own style. So this is our finished little eye pin. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And also down below in the description, I will leave a link for the products used in today's video, as well as a tutorial playlist for all necklace inspiration. Let's start creating. First little eye pin, we're going to use one of our beautiful coin pearls, and this was from the Softlex Company goodie bag for star-crossed lovers. And then we're going to add in two 6 millimeter amethyst. So we're just going to slide our beads on. And I like to work on the spool of Softlex wire. It just kind of acts as a bead stop. We're going to add on our beautiful pearl. You can see how easily it just slides on. Usually with head pins or eye pins, unless you make your own, they're usually about a 21 or 22 gauge. Then we're going to add on another one of our amethyst. We're going to add one 2x2. We're going to take our soft flex wire and pass back through our 2x2, creating a little loop. Now it's up to you how big you would like your loop to be. This is going to be your connection point. Once you've decided the size, we're just going to take our plier and just give it a squish. This is going to flatten our 2x2. We're just going to round it, and this is going to give us a more professional finish. It makes it look like a little bead. Now we do have some extra soft flex wire, so we're just going to trim that. And then we're just going to slide our beads down. So that last bead that we added on is resting next to the 2x2. We're going to cut a good workable length. We're going to add on another 2x2 and bring in our first little component that we made earlier. We're going to attach it through the connection point for the soft flex, and then we're just going to pass back through. I always loved the look of connecting the eye pins together. So when you can do it with soft flex wire, it just kind of elevates to the design. But also you have your beautiful pink tourmaline wire showing. So you can really mix and match. You could even use the amethyst for this design. So once we have them connected, we're just going to do the same thing with our pliers. Just give it a little squish and rotate. And then we'll trim off any extra soft flex wire. And if you wanted to and you didn't want to connect them directly to each other, you could connect them with jump rings or to like a little piece of chain and kind of space them out. Sometimes with the head pins or eye pins, they have weight to them because they are a metal. So by using the soft flex wire, just kind of makes for a lighter design. Do the same thing. We're going to pick up our 2x2, and then this one we're going to attach to our pearl and pass back through. And it's a very repetitive design, but it gives you plenty of practice working with the little links. Do the same thing and rotate. So once you have this technique, you can use it for earrings, bracelets, necklaces. And then we're just going to trim off any extra soft flex wire and then just cut a good working length. Be adding in a 6 millimeter jump ring, and this is a closed jump ring, but we're going to have a little charm from it. So we're just going to slide on our jump ring like we would a bead and slide back through our 2x2. You have our little design. So we're going to do the same thing and just make one more. And for this one, we're going to attach it to our 6 millimeter jump ring like we did before. We have our beautiful little project. This is perfect for a bracelet. You could just attach your clasp with some jump rings. And you have your beautiful soft flex wire showing and some beautiful gemstones, pearls, and amethyst with Czech Glass. I think I'll either braid some soft flex in the back or just add some chain. So I have this little cute angel and it's just on a head pin. And we're going to be making a loop with my one-step looper. Slide it in the tool and give it a squeeze. And we'll have our loop. So you can see with the jump ring, just kind of a technique. If you wanted to add jump rings between each connection point, you could make this into like a little charm bracelet and charm necklace. So a lot of different design options you can do with this technique. So I have my little angel. I'm just going to use my round nose pliers and open up the loop and connect it to the jump ring and give it a close. We have our beautiful little jewelry design. So we could just add a clasp and turn this into a bracelet or chain to make it into a necklace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this technique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for all other tutorials and necklace inspiration. Have an awesome day.